Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. You have to make a ponytail like this. Fix this bun pin on the hairs. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it using the bun pin. Put this pin and cover it like this properly and your hairstyle is ready. Next you have to make a ponytail. Fix the hairs in the half. Now divide it from the between. Rotate it like this and then fold it upward and fix it around the bun like this and put it using the hairpins. Fix it and it's ready. Next, you have to make a ponytail, fold it upward and fix it like this. Put the bun pin on the right side of the hairs. Now tie the hairs on the top and then roll it down and fix it like this. Put the rubber band to fix it. Now use the hairpins to make the bun out of it. Fix it properly and your hairstyle is ready. Next, make a ponytail using a rubber band and fix the hairs together like this. Now fold it and fix it inside the hairs. Now cover the hairs over it and put the rubber band again to make a bun. Fix it by putting the hair clutch as shown in the video. Put the clips and it's ready. I hope you liked it. Next, we'll be taking the hairs from the sides, tie it on the back and then rotate it. Now tie the hairs, divide it from the between and then rotate it like this. Fix it on the top by putting the hair clips and tie it properly and put the hair clutch or the bun pins over it like this and your hairstyle is ready. Next, tie the ponytail, fold it upward and fix it in the half like this. Now again comb it properly and roll it down. Tie it from the between and fix it inside the hairs. And then put the bun pin on it like this. Cover the hairs and make a bun properly and your hairstyle will be ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the hairs like this using the rubber bands. Fix it in the half. Now tie the hairs like this, fold it upward and put the hair clutch. And then your hair bun is ready. You can use different clutch too to make it look more beautiful. Next, tie the ponytail, divide the hairs from the half and fold it upward. Fix it inside the hair clutch like this and your hairstyle is ready. I hope you liked it. Next, tie the ponytail, fold the hairs upward and fix the hair clutch. Now tie the hairs from the half, roll it down using the bun pin like this and fix it. And it's ready. Next, tie the ponytail, tie the hairs in the half like this and fix it inside the hairs as shown in the video. Tie it properly, fix all the hairs together. Now cover the hairs as shown in the video and put the hair clutch to cover it and it's ready. Next, you have to take the hairs from the sides, tie it and fix this clip on the hairs by folding the hairs upward. Now divide the hairs into 3 sections and roll them and fix them inside the small section of the clips like this on the alternative sides as we are doing. Roll the hairs little bit and then fix it inside the clips. Now tie all of the hairs together on the top as shown in the video. Now roll it down and fix it using the bun pin to make a bun and your hairstyle is ready. Next, you have to take this band and fix it on the hairs. Now take the hairs in the small section from the sides and fix it inside the space in the between. Watch the technique very carefully and the way how we are fixing the hairs and where we are fixing the hairs. Now fix them one by one till the length of the plate. Fix it till the end and then tie it by covering it like this and then fix it and tie the beautiful rubber band and it's ready. Thanks for watching our video.